guys, it's Angie with the Mountain Girl Studio, and I'm coming today to just do a little bit of an update, a chit chat, new things going into my store. Well, I have one thing right now. It's just the journal I just finished. If you saw that video, it's going to be the one right before this one. I just finished a DT project for Tracie Fox, and it is this little journal. So this will be up in my shop soon. My web tech master hubby is out enjoying a couple days out in the woods with his father. So not that I couldn't do it or figure it out. I just don't want to mess anything up because he's kind of become a pro at it, and I can't thank him enough for helping me manage that. But anyways, I'm not going to do a flip through. If you want to see the flip through all the things that I'm going to show you that's in my shop, they're all on videos down below, or previous videos. I will try to link all those videos if you're interested in the flip through. But what I'm going to do now is just show you basically what's in my shop for sale. So this is going to be new. This is this little chunky journal. It holds 3 ephemera folders. It's greens and blues and teals, and this was a printout from one of my printouts. So if you're interested in my digitals are on Etsy and on my website. If you go to my website and you're not in a hurry, please go through that way. But if you need an instant download and you just need it right now, go ahead and over to my Etsy. Those are all there as well, and you can get started. So what I did is I printed this on Epson premium presentation paper, and so far I haven't worked with my own digitals, but it seems to be holding up on things that I've been putting on it. So here's some encaustic wax, some drippy wax on it. It seems to be doing well. I did not seal this. I might still, I'm not sure, but if you do, it'd be a light coat of satin spray. So be careful with that if you do. I haven't had any problems yet with anything other than if you do own this journal and it has encaustic wax. I have been mentioning that please don't keep these in your car or in the sunlight in your car or by a fireplace. It does take about 180 to 200 degrees to start melting the wax, which you should be fine. But just don't display it, above a fireplace or in your car. So anyways, so that's the first thing. This will come with a pouch. All my journals come with pouches. This one I have made up. They're either a pouch or a sack, and so those will be decorated kind of cute. So that is the new thing. So this is the next journal that is still looking for its forever home. This is a beautiful journal. I mean, you guys, I don't even know. It's full of rust and crust and beautifulness. I want it to look like an old piece of metal that had been sitting outside and got grime on it and just grunginess. It's very, very texturized. This is a side bolt on here that's rusted. Everything is held on with E6000, so it's very durable. I clamp everything down for 24 hours to ensure hold. So that should be good unless you're throwing it around. I don't know. This is a complete art journal. So this is a journal with art, mediocre paper. I mean, it's not super expensive paper, but they are in the middle grade. They're not super cheap either. So there's middle grade art paper in there and all these signatures to do your art in. All my journals so far that I'm going to show you, except for one, have removable signatures, so you can reuse your cover, because a lot of my journals come kind of naked, I guess you would say. I want you to do your art or your photos in them. So mine are reusable, which is, I think, kind of a fun idea. Like this, here's the little side trinkets on here, but here's the back of the cover, you guys, with my signature on the back. I had a great time with that one. That was a total experiment. That went, it went decent, and I love it. So the purple grungy one is still hanging out in there, you guys. If you guys want to take a look at that, you're more than welcome to go check out the flip out or the flip through as well on a video down below. Here's this beautiful, I love kind of doing simple jewelry. I like really rustic mixed media jewelry on the side. I don't know, I just think it just gives a little bit of sparkle. I love my keys, so I find that putting the keys on the side is just looks really neat. And so this is 2 frames that I altered. I upcycled and made them as frames. These are just faux kind of hinges here. This is a cover, the spine. It's wrapped up in some grungy fabrics and trims and laces and tulle in there. So I've been altering book plates. I've had them for, I don't know, like 10 years, you guys. And so I wanted to do something different with it. So inside I've been incorporating my prints in there as well. And then I think I put glassy accents on there. And then here is one of Tracie's little tags. And then I just backed it with the aluminum tape foil, which I have a tutorial on that if you want to check it out. I don't do a ton of tutorials, but the ones I do, they're there. These are removable signatures as well. These are tied-in signatures, so you tie them up here on the top. This is like loaded. Each signature in this journal are hand-painted. So, and this also has encaustic wax dripped down it as well. And this is one of my prints that I did print out. So there's that one. So I got 3 awesome grungy journals in there, you guys. This one is another, this is just kind of a prompt journal. There, it's just blank paper inside. And then I kind of altered the outside. This is kind of just more of a simple kind of journal. I do like the clean look as well. I just kind of been in the grunge mood lately. This is still grungy, but just more of a simple grunge. This, like I said, just has all art paper in it. It comes with really nice pencils, color pencil, and pen, a micron pen. So you can do all your drawings and sketches in here. It can be an idea book, but kind of what I came up with is a prompt book. Inside here is a little deck of cards, and I made the little deck of cards into prompt cards. So if you, that's kind of one of the things that I do. I've taken, you know, lots of classes and stuff, but one of the things that I have heard through the way is doing prompt cards for yourself if you're trying to build a story. So that has helped me, and I thought, you know what, I'll make a prompt book, a sketchbook for an artist. So I think that would be really cool, even as like a gift for an artist. So, and this is one of Tracie's little tea cards, which I've done these a year ago, you guys. I do have a video on how I waxed her tea cards. I am going to bring that back again because there's a lot of things that I need to bring back. It's been over a year now, and I haven't kind of done those techniques or incorporated those. So I think that's something that needs to come back, like, you know, revisit or something. It's because I've gotten a few questions on back videos about the encaustic over photography, which is another thing I'm going to incorporate. I have that in my goal sheet book. It's just some things are going before others, but I've been a photographer for close to 10 years. I love photography, and I used to do it with a lot of encaustic wax, so that's where my love of encaustic wax, but I feel I've kind of neglected my photography a little bit, and I need to incorporate that more. So I came up with some things to do, maybe some thumb cards, maybe my photography on little tea cards, as photo covers. I just have a whole kinds of ideas for my photography, but that is something that's on the list, so please look out for that. Here's a tag that is still hanging up in there. Just this little mixed media tag. I have a tutorial on this pay-per-click tabs if you guys are interested. This is like a topper. I did that like a while ago, about 6 months ago. So it's way back down there, you guys. I just thought it was fun. I do the tabs on the side too, as well as signature tabs if you want to check that out. This is a 2-part video. This is just a cool little tag. You could add this into your journals. In the cover or whatnot, and have it sticking up, so that's still in there. And then I have 2 mixed media art dolls in there. So there's this one. This one's really fun. This is I made this out of paper mache, so the head's paper mache and the arms as well. So here you go. This is done with Esma's laces from Crafty Me Shop. This was a DT for her. And on the back, she sits on a really not rusty, excuse me guys, very peely, chippy paint kind of background. I mean, you could flake that off if you wanted to. It was something that went awry, I want to say. It didn't go well, but I ended up saving it and ended up turning out cooler. You get those happy mistakes. So, anyway, she does not have a body, but it looks, it's like a faux body. It's an art piece, so it's a wall hanging. Oh, there's the back. I made the back all really nice. I need to sign that, you guys. I forgot to sign that. Anyway, so this is like a grungy layer. I paint fabric as well. So I'm gonna, that's another thing I want to do is some fabric covers with original artwork and painting on them. So I did this a long time ago, and I had this in my stash. I thought I'll just use it, and it'll be underneath of her dress, and this kind of just hangs down there, and it says breathe. So it's really pretty on the wall. So there's that. I'm getting a little pile up here, you guys. And then this is my little fox. This was a DT for Tracie and her wings. If you guys are ever interested in that, I have. Did I do a tutorial on her wings? I don't think so. That might be something I'll do. What I did is I printed out her wings in fabric, and I wired them up to make the wings for this little fox. It is a mixed media fox. It's paper mache and fabric. This is some ticking. I love ticking. The arms are fabric, like the bust is fabric. So here's the underneath. Let's go up the skirt, you guys. Oh my gosh. All right, so here's the underside. And then here's the back. This is paper mache, and it's held on really well. That's one thing I do. I try to 100% guarantee my work. I can't guarantee it after it's mailed, you know, because I try everything I can do to pack it well and whatnot. But when I'm here, I try my best to do glue things on with the best things I have. You know, so like right there, that is held in with like a little pin, stick pin in there, plus glued. I mean, it has like a little, not much wiggle to it, but like I said, I try to pack everything the best to my ability. I've never had a problem, but when I am making things, I try to over reinforce things, just because, you know, when you buy something, I want somebody to have it for a long time and cherish it. So, and then last but not least, I have this little Holtz Folio. I'm sure everybody's kind of seen those. This is like a little collage on the top here. I did this a while ago. And then there's a lot of little lace, or not lace, charms. It's kind of a time theme. And this, just like I said, has a lot of, kind of like some Tim Holtz stuff on here. So this kind of goes back here. It's kind of like a faux little tab there, or buckle. So yeah, so a lot of textures, lots and lots of stuff in this one, you guys. And then my little signature on a piece of wood back here with Encaustics on the top of it. Alright, you guys, that's it for what I have in my shop. I am working on some new digitals. I haven't painted any yet, but I did get to go out of town and get some paints and whatnot. I'm totally going out of my comfort zone, you guys. I got like some fluorescent colors. Like, what am I doing? But you know, that's what I enjoy about like abstract painting, that I've really enjoyed, is being able just to be free with it and not, you know, I love my neutral still. But way back, I was into color as a total painter and stuff like that. I've painted my whole entire life. I mean, since I was a little girl, since I could hold a paintbrush, painting has always been with me. So you'll always see something incorporated with painting or photography or encaustic. Those are a lot of things, or plaster. I work a lot in those, and I used to do primitive artwork, you guys, you know, the primitive kind of style, and I think that's kind of more for me, more into the rustic, rusty stuff, and that's kind of where I've always loved rust, because I used to do the primitive art, like little dolls and stuff. So anyways, new digitals will be coming out. I do have some exciting news. I am still working out a few little dust bunnies there. I wanted to announce that already. I wanted to announce it already, but there's some things that I'm a researcher, so I like to do my research before I just throw it out there. But I have some really exciting news, you guys. Really, really, really exciting. It's something I've been wanting to do for 2 years. A long time, since I started painting. So it's gonna become a reality a little bit, you know. I'm still, like I said, I'm working out a few things, so please, please, please stay tuned to watch out for that video. I'm going to try to figure out the little things that I need to figure out before I launch and tell you about it, because, you know, you just have to do that stuff. So I'd hope you guys go over to my web store. It's themountaingirlstudio.com. You'll find all these products there. Maybe you find something for Christmas, or for a friend, or an art friend, or somebody who needs a special journal in their life. Like I said, my journals are semi-naked, so you can do your art, put your pictures in there. I'm also thinking of coming out with like maybe some kind of album for photos. I don't know, you guys. My brain is just craziness. It just hurts. Because I love just creating. I don't know about you guys, but I really love to create, you guys. And I love art so, so much. I'm so passionate about it. And when somebody purchases my work, I get so excited. I put my all even into the packaging and presentation because I just feel like, you know, you're supporting me and I want that gift of making it really special to go to you guys. So thank you so much for my new subs. And one last thing before I go, because I'm like a chatty doll right now. I don't know why. I do have a challenge going on, you guys. It's a really, really, really super simple challenge. I didn't want to put any pressure on anybody. I don't want anybody to have to send me anything or do much. All it is to get you to be creative, and I want to see kind of what you guys come up with. So I just, put on your thinking caps. All you have to do is just go get one of my digitals. It can be a past digital. It doesn't matter. I think I have like 40 some digitals out there right now, or the collages. You can do anything you want. It can be as simple as a tag, a folder. It doesn't matter. All you have to do is do a video and link all my information below. Follow all my social media, and that is it, you guys. The winner will be chosen after the 20th of February, and the winner will get, I'm opening it up to international and the U.S., and the winner, if it's a U.S., will get 20 printed digitals sent to them, and if it's a winner to the international, I want to send them 20 digitals through WeTransfer. So I thought, I wanted to have both of you guys be able to do this challenge. Like I said, it's super, super simple, so just head over and grab one of my digitals from my website. Like I said, if you can go there first, but if you really need it really quick and you're really excited to create, head over to my Etsy. All right, you guys, wow, that was a lot. Even for me, and I know I talk a lot, and I talk really fast. I don't know, I'm excited today, maybe because we have like a foot of snow outside in the mountains here. Not sure. Anyways, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I hope everybody has a wonderful week, and we'll talk to you again soon, you guys. Bye-bye.